Today's math lesson, which is lesson 12, is on measuring to find the area of rectangles that have fractional side lengths. I'm going to do number 3 from their homework, which is a problem that all students must do. It says that Kelly buys a tarp to cover the area under her tent. The tent has an area of 31 square feet. The tarp she bought is 5 1/3 by 5 3/4. So I got to figure out the area of the tarp to see if it fits. So the way we did this in class is with an area model, and the way we did that is draw a rectangle. If this is 5 1/3 and this is 5 3/4, so we look at this kind of as a multiplication square. These are little rectangles inside. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 1/3 is 5/3, or 1 2/3. 3/4 times 5. 3/4 times 5 is 15/4, or 3 3/4. And then we have 1/3 times 3/4. That would be 3/12. So basically, you take these four areas, here, and you add them all together. So basically, I have 25 plus 1 2/3 plus 3 3/4 plus 3/12. So I have to add all those together to find out the area of the tarp. So now I have to get a common denominator, because as you can see, I have thirds, fourths, and twelfths. Well, it seems to me like since 3 times 4 is 12, I will change 2/3 to twelfths. I will change 3/4 to twelfths, and I'll leave this one as twelfths. So if I do the top-bottom rule, it becomes 8/12, and this becomes 9/12. So now the new problem I have is 25 wholes plus 1 8/12 plus 3 9/12 plus 3/12. So then the strategy would be to add all your twelfths together. So I have 8/12 and 9/12, which would be 17/12, plus 3 more twelfths. That would be 20/12. If I add the whole numbers, I have 25, 1, and 3. Well, that would be 29. So that's 29 and 20/12. Therefore, if I change 12/20ths, I get 1 8/12. Add that to the 29, and my final answer is 30 8/12. Well, if you recall, the area of the tent is 31 square feet. So this is smaller than 31. So my answer, can the tarp cover the area under Kelly's tent? The answer to that question would be no. And all my work is my thinking and my explaining as to why.